How to turn off Instagram profile picture zoom. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's tutorial video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off Instagram profile picture zoom. So let's get started. So the first step is open up your Instagram. After you open up your Instagram, if you head over to your profile, you'll notice that whenever you long press on your profile, it'll just zoom in your picture. Now you can zoom in and zoom out. Now, if you don't want this to happen to your profile, if you don't want other people to just do this to your profile picture, what you'll need to do is tap on the hamburger icon, head over to settings and activity, scroll down, and there you will find account privacy. Head over there and turn on private mode. Tap on switch to private, and after you do that, you'll get an option here that will give you an option that says allow profile picture expansion. Now this feature is not yet available in my region, but it can be on your region, so just check this setting out, and whenever you turn off the allow profile picture expansion, your profile picture will not get zoomed anymore. And yeah, that is how you turn off your Instagram profile picture zoom, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to App Hacks and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.